Last year, Xiaomi released the Mi 10 Ultra for the Chinese market only, but now the Mi 11 Ultra is available in the global market at the same price as the Galaxy S21 Ultra. In this video, I will review the Xiaomi phone and compare it with the Galaxy S21 Ultra during the video. Let's the video. This phone weighs 235 grams and its thickness is 8.4 mm and its size is 6.8 inches, which is a comfortable but very heavy and large phone. The back panel is made of ceramic and is very durable and high quality. At the top of the back panel of this device, there are 3 camera lenses with a small display in a rectangle frame which protrude a lot, but it is not annoying to use on the table. The middle frame is made of aluminum and is slightly curved. On the front panel of the Mi 11 Ultra is a display that is very curved on 4 sides, and the selfie camera is located in the corner in the form of a punch hole, and 92% of the front panel is the display, which is very attractive. This device also has the IP68 standard and is completely water and dust resistant. This phone has more features than the S21 Ultra in terms of design, but it is very heavy and its back panel design may not be beautiful for everyone. The display of Samsung phones has always been the best, but the Mi 11 Ultra display is an AMOLED with WQHD Plus resolution, which is equal in quality to the S21 Ultra and also supports Dolby Vision content and is 10 bits, which the S21 Ultra does not have. The refresh rate of this display is 120 Hz and adaptive, but the refresh rate of the touchscreen is 480 Hz, which is twice as good as the S21 Ultra. Also, the screen brightness of this device is 1700 nits, and it has a pixel density of 515 ppi, which is 200 nits brighter than the S21 Ultra. Overall, the Mi 11 Ultra performed unexpectedly well in terms of display. This device has an optical fingerprint sensor under the display that has good speed and security. It also has face recognition, which is done with a selfie camera and has good speed but low security, and in general, in terms of security, the S21 Ultra has better speed and security. In terms of camera, the Mi 11 Ultra can be considered unrivaled. The main lens of this phone is 50 megapixels. Its photos have a great dynamic range and sharpness, and the details are displayed in the best way. In portrait mode, the subject is well separated from the background, and the details of the subject are displayed well. In night mode, the large lens of this device make the brightness of the photos increase as well, and the details are recorded well too. The ultra-wide lens of the Mi 11 Ultra is 48 megapixels and records the widest angle between the ultra-wide lenses of the phones and is only slightly weaker than the main lens. The periscopic lens of this phone can have up to 10 times of optical zoom and 120 times digital zoom. Photos up to 10 times zoom are really great, but 120 times zoom does not capture good photos. You can record 8K 24 frames per second video with all Mi 11 Ultra lenses, which is great, but the selfie camera of this phone is 20 megapixels, whose photos have a medium dynamic range and good sharpness, but you can take a selfie with the smallest screen next to the main camera, which is great. You can also take 1080 videos at 30 frames per second with a selfie camera, which is good. In general, the Mi 11 Ultra is better than the S21 Ultra in terms of camera, but the software capabilities of the S21 Ultra are better for filming and taking photos. In terms of hardware, this phone has a Snapdragon 888 and 12 gigabits of fast LPDDR5 RAM. The hardware performance of this phone is excellent and there is no lag or a slowness in it, and it does not get hot due to its strong cooling system. And the Mi 11 Ultra can only be equated with the Snapdragon S21 Ultra version in terms of hardware. This phone has software support for up to 3 years and now has Android 11 and MIUI 12.5, which has a lot of personalization features and capabilities, but in my opinion, Samsung is a little better than Xiaomi in terms of software. The battery of this phone is 5000 mAh and lithium polymer, which can be used for up to 1 full day in semi-heavy use without the need for a charger. Also, the normal and wireless charger of this device is 67 watts and can be fully charged the phone for 36 minutes, which is great. The Mi 11 Ultra and S21 Ultra perform almost the same on battery, but the Mi 11 Ultra is much better than the S21 Ultra in terms of charging. The Mi 11 Ultra speakers are designed by Harman Kardon and have a relatively low sound and excellent quality. Overall, the Mi 11 Ultra is a better choice than the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it will probably S21 Ultra sell a lot more due to the strong marketing of Samsung. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, like it. Goodbye, see you in next video.